We'll use our vibration massage to help increase blood flow and circulation. This helps increase elasticity, muscle recovery. The disc. So we'll move them to the left, opening this side of the back up, dialing them in. Contact on the sacrum, and we'll come here. Got it. The L3 is right here. Got it. On your back. Very nice. Chin to chest. Bring this up. Got it. And we got one more right between the shoulder blades. Booyah.